Welcome, Mama. Lielle is here with another short and effective practice to help you prepare your body to activate labor naturally with a yoga ball or a birthing ball. Now, this practice is also going to help you to enjoy a more pleasant birthing experience and to feel better right away. If you are very pregnant and your due date is around the corner, so this video is for you. This video is for all mamas in their 37th week of pregnancy and beyond. If this is your first time watching this video, bear with me to the end and listen to all safety instructions. If this is your second or third time during this video, go ahead and hop into the practice right now. So my previous video have gotten so popular, so I decided to make another 2 new videos for you and create a little Induce Labor Naturally exercises playlist so you have more variety and choices of exercises to prepare your body for a faster labor. If you're truly ready to meet your baby, go ahead and save this playlist and practice these exercises daily. You can do each practice as many times as you feel comfortable with and safe during your day. You can do the practices one after another, or perhaps one in the morning, one in the middle of the day, and one by the end of your day. So movement is the best way to get things going. And also, these exercises will help you to enjoy a more pleasant and faster labor. All the moves and exercises I share with you will help you to improve your pelvic mobility, so your baby can engage and fit better into your pelvis. When you are at the end of your pregnancy and your baby at the optimal position with his or her head resting on your cervix, that's when most likely your labor will begin. Remember, if your baby and your body is ready, you will go into labor. You must let go of stress, surrender, and just relax as much as possible. Remember, we're all different. We have different bodies. We're going through different pregnancy journeys. Some of you may go into labor just a few hours after completing the exercises. And some of you may be the next day, or a few days, or even perhaps a few weeks. Don't give up. Do the work and all is coming, mama. I'm currently not pregnant. This is a fake belly for demonstration purposes only. However, I've been pregnant twice and I have helped so many other moms with these exercises. So make sure you are clear by your doctor to exercise at this point of your pregnancy. Remember to be super mindful of your own body and only do what feels good and safe for you and your baby. This is going to be a music-only practice to allow you to get into deeper relaxation and focus on your own needs. We will be doing 10 exercises, 45 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds of rest. Remember, focus on deep breaths. We will be doing movements on and off the ball. Now, here are some very important safety instructions on how to approach these exercises. First of all, make sure you are stable on the ball. For more support and stability, you can place the ball by the wall or to have a chair next to you. Now, second, place your feet as wide as you need to get your knees at 90-degree angles, so your knees right over your feet. Last but not least, feet should be firmly grounded to the earth. Okay, make sure you can see your screen so you can follow along. Turn up the volume and let's begin. Thank you, Mama, for joining me today. I hope this practice made you feel good and relaxed. I love connecting with you, and I would love you to share with me and other mamas in the comment section down below how many weeks and days you are pregnant right now trying these exercises to activate your labor. Are you expecting a boy or a girl? Is this your first or perhaps fifth pregnancy? Also, please come back to this video after your delivery and share with me and other mamas if that practice had helped you to get your labor started. That will mean the world to me. If you found this video beneficial, let me know by hitting that like and subscribe if you haven't yet. I share on this channel lots of pre and postnatal yoga and fitness, as well as lots of fun mommy and baby workouts to help you to get strong and fit after having a baby. I would love to have you as part of the community. Thank you so much again for sharing your energy with me today. I'm wishing you safe and easy labor and delivery. From my heart to yours. You got this, mama.